Christmas is around the corner and the festive mood has begun. Yes, I am making some sweet and savory recipes during this time, but that doesn't mean being on keto, we all should be away from it. So I am making a lovely keto, protein rich, energy rich snowballs. Yes, in Mumbai, snow, no, but I don't mind having the snowballs. They look too delicious, just see, and they are very easy to make. I'm going to show you. I'm going to show you, see, isn't it gorgeous? Super delicious and very easy to make. I'm going to just put it in my mouth. I can't resist it. Hello and welcome to Magic in My Food. This is Jyoti Dalmia. So let's begin with the keto energy rich snowballs. So to make these delicious energy rich protein snowballs, I am going to use the desiccated coconut powder. Yes, these are tiny flakes of coconut powder, and to which I am going to add the vanilla flavored protein powder. And here goes the coconut milk. My vanilla protein powder is sweetened. If you want, you can add extra sweetness to it by adding some stevia into it. I like a bit less sweetening type of sweeteners, so I am not adding any extra sweetener. But if you want, then you can add stevia, erythritol, monk fruit, whatever you wish for, and just mix it up. Yes, you have to just mix it up, and I would prefer mixing it up with the hand. Yes, your fingers gives a magic mix to anything. So here I am mixing it up with my hand, and I am going to form a soft dough. Yes, it's going to form a soft dough. The dough has formed. It's not very hard because it will harden when it's stored in the refrigerator. So now I am going to take small portions of it and just roll it out into small balls or dumplings, whatever you want to call. And I am going to roll it again in the desiccated coconut powder. Yes, just rotate it in the desiccated coconut powder. And to enhance the look of it, I am going to place it in a paper cup. You can place it as it is also if you want, but yes, it does look, because of the festive mood even and festive season, I would love to place it in a paper cup. Roll it again in the desiccated coconut powder. This is optional. If you want a chocolate flavored snowball, simply add some unsweetened cocoa powder. It's such a simple and a very quick recipe. It can be prepared within minutes and you can enjoy it guilt free because it is protein rich. It is highly nutritious even, and it is low carb. So here my snowballs, protein rich snowballs are ready. This can be enjoyed both by the ketoers and the non-ketoers. It's a perfect, super easy recipe to make it while you are in a jiffy. I'm enjoying this with a cup of coffee, and actually I use that mug because it has lovely figures of Santa Claus and igloos. I am loving that cup. So if you have liked it and enjoyed it, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and post comments and queries. I would love to answer it. And yes, once again, Merry Christmas to everybody.